Hey friends, I want to show you that Validus is something you should look into. No matter how much you have, try to make sure you have somewhere that gives you return. Send your money on errands. It's very important. It's not enough to just keep it in the bank. Let it be producing returns for you. That money in your bank account, you just keep paying fees and yet you're not getting anything from it. Enough is enough. Saying no to leaving money like that, doing nothing. Yes, I know there's need for emergency cash. Yes, keep it there. But see, there's the one you need to take out of you. Sometimes if you don't do this, you spend the money. So this offers you, no matter how small, $50, $100, $250, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000. You know your size of pocket. It's high time you send me a DM. Let me show you how this works. These are the accounts of some of my friends, people who are actually bought into the system. A lot of them, over 100 of them, they are excited and happy about it. They are staying like blessing. Thank God I enter on time. Some of them are even adding more to their account. See this one now, entered with 3 million, and now he has made over 5 million, about 6 million last time we spoke. Is enough. Come and join.